Hi, this is Terry the technician. Did you know there's some repairs and adjustments that you can do on your own windows and doors that are relatively easy and don't require a lot of tools? For today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to change the weather stripping on your entry door. Before you start, you'll need 3 full lengths of new weather strip and a sharp utility knife or scissors. Be sure to use the correct weather strip on your door. You can get new weather strip by contacting your local all-weather windows service department. The first step is to remove the existing weather stripping from all 4 sides of the door. Starting in each corner, gently pull the weather stripping outwards, away from the weather strip channel. To install the new weather strip, start with the top and bottom pieces first. Taking one end of the weather strip, insert it snug into one corner. Ensure that the end is cut at 90 degrees. Carefully press the weather strip into the channel for the entire width of the door. Once you get to the other corner, cut the weather strip again at 90 degrees so it fits snug into the corner. Ensure that the weather strip is not cut too short or too long. You'll want to avoid gaps and binding in the weather strip. Once the top and bottom pieces are installed, it's time to move on to the side pieces. For these, first cut one end of the weather strip at a 45-degree angle and insert it snugly into the top corner of the door, against the existing weather stripping. The angle you cut into the weather strip should allow it to overlap the previous pieces you installed without bulging or leaving a gap. Gently push the weather strip into the channel for the full length of the door. When you get to the other corner, cut the same 45-degree angle so it fits up snug against the existing weather strip. Ensure there are no bulges or gaps. Close your door against the new weather strip to ensure that it latches closed. Because the new weather strip will not be as compressed as the old one, your door may require more force to close. If the door will not close and latch properly, you may need to adjust the striker plate to provide ease of operation and proper compression. I hope this video was helpful with replacing your door's weather strip. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your all-weather windows service department.